Reserve studies used to be just a document that you received and pondered. Now with uPlanIt, creating or adjusting the reserve plan for your association becomes an easy, interactive process. Get instant feedback on your ideas. Keep the good ones and toss the bad ones. It's your association, and uPlanIt is a user-friendly tool you can use to craft a reserve plan that uniquely provides for your upcoming projects. And that brings us to the summary time for this webinar, where we try to put all these ideas together. But as you've seen, uPlanIt is pretty darn simple. It's one case. It allows you to just type numbers into boxes, so you're not frustrated. And from my point of view, you're not wondering. You're able to make informed decisions. We feel that it's your association. We want you to have some agency, some ability to see what happens if things happen your way, to customize it. No need to wonder when you're using uPlanIt. And here at Association Reserves, we're here to guide you safely and successfully to the future. And we do that by providing the tools so you can see the implication of your leadership decisions if you want to do things slightly your way. And just again, a kind of a scroll through history. Originally, reserve studies were prepared and printed and put in the mail. Then they were created as PDFs and able to be sent electronically, email, or in a login center. And now, through login, you can look at your reserve study interactively, very live. You can get your fingers into it and push the numbers around and see what happens. So it's just a wonderful tool to help you do what you need to do to guide your association to the future, navigate your association to the future. We want you to have success. We don't want you to cross your fingers and say, well, I think, what do we say, $4,000 will work or $3,000 will work. We want you to test it. Plug the number in, see what happens. And as a reminder, uPlanIt Access is free for our professional reserve study clients through their budget season, from the day your reserve study is finished through the end of your fiscal year, plus a bonus 3 months. And if you're not a professional reserve study client of Association Reserves, you can gain access to uPlanIt for that same budget season for $399. And we're just here to help. We want you to have success at your association. We've done this all across the country, over 80,000 reserve studies under our belt. And on our website, reservestudy.com, we got a deep library of educational resources. And one of those is our Understanding Reserves book. It's available for purchase on Amazon, but you can download chapter 1 for free on our website so you can see what it's like, catch a flavor of it. And I'll make sure to put a chapter 1 link in the outline that we prepare after this program. And of course, we're recording this. You heard us say that. So we're recording this webinar. We have so many other webinars available, and they're sometimes full webinars, sometimes they're shorts where we cover just a particular topic, but deep set of resources on our YouTube channel. And something that we are especially pleased, especially with our audience here today, that is 71% board members. We have a weekly podcast for board members, HOA Insights, Common Sense for Common Areas. It's available on all the major podcast platforms. It's available on our YouTube channel, or you can listen from hoainsights.org. It's interviews with industry experts. It's interviews with board heroes, inspiring episodes of a board member telling about what happened at their association, and a lot of current events like interest, inflation, budgeting, financial statements, what to do about insurance, Corporate Transparency Act, all those kinds of things. And that brings us to the end of today's prepared content. So at this time, I'll turn the microphone over to Paige. We'll coordinate our Q&A time together. At Association Reserves, we make the present less stressful and the future more secure. If you want to join us in this mission, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see us address in a future video. Let's plan for your best future.